हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं आपका SRM सर। आज हम OUAT का 2019 का मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चन करने जा रहे हैं। दिस टॉपिक में जब हम ज़्यादा मार्क लाएंगे तो हमारा चांस ज़्यादा हो जाएगा OUAT पाने का। सो वी विल डिस्कस ऑल द मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड क्वेश्चंस फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग। ओके, देन स्टार्ट. This question says these are the correct sequence order and one is left from this box. So here there are 4 options. From this we choose here. Okay, so at first we have to know the logic. Okay, here 3 lines are there. इस 3 लाइन को अब वो टोटल अपोजिटली हो गया ऐसे, दिस 3 लाइन ऐसे हो गया. देन दिस 3 लाइन goes and remaining 2 after one step 1 minus, and when it comes to 1 then first 3, then it is opposite to this position, that is it is horizontal, then vertical, then remaining 2, again remaining 1, then this is horizontal, this is vertical, this is 1, so remaining 1. So this option is correct. Okay, then come to this. Here the structure is as like, after this it is the opposite of this structure, then we have to also follow the sequence. First one is this, then it is the opposite of this. So here not B is the answer, here A is the answer, because the opposite of this. Okay, then come to the third question. Here a branch is present but leaf does not present. Here a leaf is present, then the D option is correct. Okay, then come to this. Here first look here, it is the opposite of this. Okay, here this in this side, then come to this side. Okay, then we also follow this sequence. Here also it looks like we have to find here in this side, and here also this side. So this is okay. So C is the right answer, because the alter of this is this and alter of this is this. Okay, then मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स होता है OUAT का मेंटल एप्टीट्यूड सॉल्व करने के लिए. थोड़ा वक्त स्टूडेंट टाइम नहीं देते हैं इस चैप्टर में, सो दे सेम वो लोग कम मार्क लाते हैं इन दिस टॉपिक. सो आई रिमाइंड कि दिस इज ए इजी चैप्टर, सो आई वांट टू डिस्कस ऑल द थिंग्स एंड कॉन्सेप्ट्स. ओके, here we just see this figure. Here the circle is present, here the triangle is present. Here, so what is the answer here? So the answer is D. It is just simple things. You have to see all the similarities between the structure, then you have to find out the answer. Okay, here a rectangle is present, and here is hexagonal is present, and the triangle is present. Here only take the large part of this, and then these are the small. So here the answer is here the first structure is similar to the fourth structure, and the second one is similar to the fifth one. So here the structure is, so here the answer is D. Okay, So here the answer is B. In the 8th number question, the answer is D. Then come to the 9th number question, that is C. And the 10th one is, the answer is A. Okay. Then come to this. Okay. Vivek starts from his home and goes 2 kilometers straight. Students, here Vivek starts from 2 kilometers straight, then he turned right and goes 1 kilometer. So again he turns right, cover 1 kilometer. If he is northwest direction, so the condition here is if he is northwest direction from his house. So here the condition is he is moving along northwest direction. So then in which direction did he go in the beginning? So here first he go to west at 2 kilometer, then turn right 1 kilometer, then it is the northwest. So the answer is west. Okay. Then come to the these questions. Okay.